Hey there, fellow photographers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely elevate your photography game to the next level. It's all about the incredible benefits of owning a 24 to 70mm f2.8 zoom lens. If you're wondering why this lens is a must-have in every photographer's kit, stick around and let's dive into it. The 24 to 70mm f2.8 zoom lens is a versatile workhorse that's loved by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, events, or even street photography, this lens is your ultimate companion. With its impressive focal range, from wide-angle 24mm to short telephoto at 70mm, you get the flexibility to capture a wide variety of compositions without having to switch lenses constantly. One of the biggest advantages of the f2.8 aperture is its ability to create stunning bokeh and achieve beautiful background blur. This effect helps your subjects to stand out and adds a touch of professionalism to your images. At f2.8, the lens gathers more light, making it ideal for low light situations. You can shoot indoors or during sunset and still get sharp, noise-free images with excellent clarity. Another advantage of this lens is its excellent image stabilization. Whether you're shooting handheld or recording video, it helps you to get steady shots, reducing camera shake and ensuring you get high-quality footage that is smooth and looking professional. The best part is that a 24 to 70mm f2.8 zoom lens is available for most popular camera brands, so you could easily find one that best suits your needs. And investing in this kind of a lens is like investing in your creativity and your skills as a photographer. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to add more gear or an enthusiast who wants to take your photography to that next level, the 24 to 70 f2.8 zoom lens is a must-have in your collection. So there you have it, folks. The amazing benefits of owning a 24 to 70mm f2.8 zoom lens. Its versatility, excellent low light performance, and ability to create stunning bokeh make it an essential tool for every photographer. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and yes, smash that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.